Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and it's so good to be back on your screens again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can loosen up the build-up of products on your hair if you just took down your knotless braids, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And I'm also going to be trying out a length check of my hair, and I'm also going to be doing some proper treatment and applying hair masks to my hair. So now I'm trying to loosen up those beautiful products like gel, hair cream and stuff. So I actually mixed conditioner, water and Jamaican castor oil to that bottle, so I sprayed it on my hair, and it was so soft for me to loosen up those build-ups, and I was able to detangle it well before I go ahead to wash. So I'm doing that for all of it. I'm done with the back part, so it's the front. Guys, oh my god, look at that length. Oh my god, we're retaining length now. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that to remaining hair. So guys, I would advise not to rush at this stage when you're trying to loosen it up, because if you do, you're just going to make your hair get so tangled, and you lose more volume of your hair. So just take the process slow and make sure that you really detangle it well before you go ahead to wash your hair. That way it gets really easy, to apply your shampoo or conditioner. So right now I'm done with the back and the front too, guys. You can see. And something I noticed about my hair is that I'm not seeing any dandruff like I used to. I mean, they will have some little bits of dandruff on my hair, but it has really improved so well. I'm going to show you what I used before the end of this video, so you might just try it out too if you're having issues of dandruffs on your hair, right? So in my previous video, I mentioned how I love to wash my hair in sections. So that is what I'm doing right now, just trying to twist it into 4 parts. Yeah, so it's easier for me to wash that way. So when I'm done, I'm going ahead to wash. Okay, so for the wash day today, I'm going to be using Hair Wonder natural shampoo. It contains some natural oils, herbs and vitamins that are good for your hair. But you might need to be careful when applying the shampoo to your hair because it's watery, so it might just slip out of your hair when you're trying to apply it. So just be careful and be sure that you have it on your hair. So I'm going to be focusing more on the roots of my hair because that's where I have most of the builds up of products I've used for some weeks. So I'm going to be washing that properly, and then when I'm sure I'm done with the 4 parts that I've sectioned, I'm going to be rinsing out, and then we move on.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
It's time to use the conditioner, and guys, you already know how much I love this conditioner from XHC banana conditioner. The smell is so amazing. I used it in my previous video and I made a review about it, so you might want to check it out and see for yourself. So I'm going to massage this conditioner into my hair very well and make sure to walk through the ends. And when I'm done, I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now.
Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind. Fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Alright guys, guys, so now that I'm done with shampoo and conditioner on my hair, I'm going to go ahead to use the hair mask, and this one is argan oil hydrating hair mask from XHC. It's the same as the product of the conditioner I used. This contains Moroccan argan oil, so I hope it give me the results that I want. I'm going to apply this to my hair from the roots to the tip of my hair, and I'm going to leave it in for like 10 minutes before I rinse out. So the reason why I'm using hair mask is because I noticed that my hair is dry, and I need to like moisturize it and also strengthen my hair, because it's been a while I did because of the braids I had on. It's been like few weeks now, so all of this is necessary to have a very healthy hair.
We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow.
So guys, it is time to rinse out, and my hair feels so moisturized and soft. You can see how I'm running my hands through it. That's how soft it is after applying this hair mask. You should do this like once or twice a week if you can, because you will greatly see the result, and you will see how your hair will stop being dry every time and frizzy. It also prevents your hair from breaking every now and then. So you need to do this like just make it a routine in your wash day, and it's going to help your hair greatly. Okay, so this is the anti-dandruff treatment from Mega Growth, and this is what I used on my hair. I've used it for a while now, and it's really working. It comes in 3-in-1 pack, but I just decided to get this to see how it's really going to work, and it works really well. So I'm going to work this through my hair since I'm done with the other treatment of hair masking and conditioning and stuff like that. So I'm applying some kind of conditioner and oil, essential oils on my hair, so it's going to be easy to manipulate when I'm trying to twist it out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to put my hair in a protective style now. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Let me know how often you apply hair mask on your hair. Do you do it frequently? I would love to read them in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe if you have not, because I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.